Hi, my name is Carter Richardson. I'm the owner of East Passage Boatwrights and Boatbuilding and Restoration, class of 2004. East Passage Boatwrights is celebrating its 14th anniversary this month, and it's interesting to see the evolution of my relationship with IYRS as a student here in the course, and then over the length of the business to where we are right now. When I started, I had just gotten out of the Navy, and I had no formal or even informal woodworking or boat building experience. My timeline didn't allow for something like that to happen. So I looked at IYRS and I saw what was really and truly an immersive learning environment where, you know, day one they bring you in and you start doing some simple carpentry joints. And then by the first month, you're lofting out the beetle cat, lofting is an extremely difficult thing to do, but it also teaches you everything you need to know about the boat. You can really and truly build a beetle cat from the lofting, and to have that kind of knowledge up front from the beginning is a huge thing to have. I remember when I graduated, I started working for Macmillan Yachts here in Portsmouth, and having the ability to get on the job essentially and immediately being trusted with doing a job on your own. They sent me off. I was on one of their trumpies and I had to reframe an entire section. And so we had to get in there, pull all the furniture out, figure out what frames needed to be replaced, and then figure out a way to do it. And without my experience at IYRS, that would have been a nearly impossible task. And then secondly, as the business over the past 14 years has grown, you know, we went from a shop of 3-4 people we started getting these larger jobs, these larger restorations. And at one point when we were finishing up the restoration of Santana in 2016, our shop got to be 9 employees. And of those 9, 8 were graduates of the Boatbuilding and Restoration course or had done some sort of, you know, learning here at IYRS with their extended learning programs that they were offering at the time. So it's really been something that we have relied on, bringing in a skilled workforce to help us out. I honestly cannot imagine where I'd be without my IYRS experience.
What's cool about it is, yes, it's hard work. Yes, you're constantly learning something. Your hands are always on something. We're in the classroom, we're out on the floor, but everyone wants to be here. It's exploratory, it's really hands-on. It's a lot of work and it's intensive, but it's so fun.
I came here thinking I was going to like engines. Coming out of here now, I'm just full-on electronics guy. I love it.
I love it here. IYRS is awesome, and this is definitely one of the best decisions I've ever made.